2022 Ram 1500 with less than 63,000 miles on the odometer. This pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. It's equipped with many extra conveniences right at your fingertips, including heated side view mirrors, backup camera, tinted windows, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, brake assist, keyless start, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, engine immobilizer, automatic headlights, auxiliary input, leather-wrapped steering wheel, stability control, passenger side airbag sensor. Stop by for a test drive and feel the difference.